doing? She might sink out of sight. Tea. Yeah. Is there water, Ivy? Over here. There's water over here. Look. There's water. See, down there. In here, come on. Look. Go down. You get a drink. You want a drink? drink. Yeah, it's gonna be a big pond. It's gonna be so nice. Maybe we can find some fossils. Some shark's teeth, arrowheads. Maybe even some horse toofus. Get it, Ivy. Ivy, come here. Hold on. What?
In the morning, you should fill up to that spot over there. Should be level because it's deeper. It's getting deeper to her that from there. It'll all fill up to about that elevation.
Which line?
Where the water's sitting back there now, it hasn't moved around. So that's about where the water table is at. So really to maintain fish and stuff, you don't have to be a couple more feet deeper and you need to get rid of that cluster of thinking trees.
Oh no, I like that cluster.
I just can't make it any steeper. It's already way steep.
Well, what about from this direction? You can go steeper this way. You have space till you get to this tree here.
Huh?
You have space to go from this tree here. No?
It's about the same distance.
You can't grade it in from here?
The problem is there because if I get down to there, that one's going to be straight down.
Yeah, you can't do that. You can't have one side that's straight down and all the rest of them are...
I'm going to see what it does. It's already crumbling.
Is this where you're going to put the well?
Yeah, if I don't take those trees out, I'm going to have to put the well there, so it would be, that would be like the top of the well. And it'd be down from there.
I thought that was the original plan.
So I need to try to get like, to at least to the bedrock. It's going to be hard. With this machine in this area, I need to learn the fucking swing, be able to use a pump and stone.
You've been doing a great job. You can do it. This one is a rock.
Yep.
Maybe it's
Oh, look at the boils.
What? Oh, it's bubbling.
It's bubbling.
It's alive.
That's how ponds fill up in Florida. Usually, you don't have to go this freaking deep. You know, that's how I always figure a safe ditch if I can walk up and down.
Now you can really judge how deep it is because you can't tell otherwise.
We're about 7.
Don't let Ivy get stuck.
6.5 from you, actually. Maybe even 6. I'm looking at the top of my head's about where you're standing. A little higher here because it's higher. It needs to go.
Why?
Because now we can take the pond and get deep. Right here is going to be our honey hole.
What happened to the well idea? So then we didn't have to.
It's really hard to do in these conditions because I don't have anywhere to dig. Because I need to be able to dig fast and get some pump and a rock, and like I'm setting a pipe or a structure, and be able to work that hole. Because you're figuring another 8 foot down from right here, you're fucking deep. But if I took those trees out, now I can stage myself down. We can get her done, and then we can always have water.
To
Well, we'll
tree
see
or
what
not
this
to
goes
tree? That is the question.
See if we had enough water, Jeff, where I could set a decent well and pump. I could line like this little pond right here. Never mind.
Is she gonna get stuck? Quicksand.
There's clay there. Clay sand. Sandy clay. That's past the clay, you're into the sand there. That's below the clay layer.
It's a little waterfall. Ivy, careful.
I mean, she's not going to sink out of sight, but she's going to be a muddy mess.
She might sink out of sight.
Sink to your ankles. The more you move, the more you go down.
Right, like quicksand. But lucky for Ivy, I'm quicker. I'd save you, girl. Came out here really quickly to see where the water is the next morning. Let me see. Oh, he was right. Pretty cool. Fun. Look at the deer tracks. Hi, girl. Time to move some dirt around. That was loud. Oh, sorry, Jessica. Well, what else?
One, this is all got to, this grade here's got to go all the way to the house.
This is crushed concrete?
No, Krista, you can see where it stops.
Oh, I was gonna say, this is pretty soft.
Just slicked it off so it wasn't dangerous. There's nothing that's really complete.
How much higher you gotta go?
Not higher. This is, you can see that this is the crushed concrete where I ran out right here.
Oh, in the middle up top there? Yeah.
This is where I ran out and started coming down. But this will turn hard as shit into concrete.
Yeah.
It's just fresh.
So this is as high as it's gonna be?
Finish elevation of the road right here.
That one is.
Within a half inch where I got to smooth it all out, but this is where it's at. This is all a little high. I got to get it in the excavator, start pulling everything that way. But this is going to go all the way to where the house, back of the house ends, and then taper off. This grade right here. To the roadway. So the road is going to come in. I mean, it's all a little high right now. I got to pull all this stuff out, but the road's going to continue at that grade all the way looping around, and it's going to be crushed concrete in the whole loop, and everything else will be dirt.
From here all the way to where the house is.
Will be dirt except for the driveway that wraps right behind the machines, like pretty much through the machines in front of the house. And we'll go back out. Well, this will all be grass.
So the highest points are going to be where the driveway is.
And connecting it, this whole area. This whole area is going to be dry, no matter what. Because it's 6 inches higher than the road right now. Over there. Unless the river comes up, and then there's nothing we can do.
Yeah, then we're all fucked.
Yeah, there's nothing you can do.
So, I haven't been out here in a couple days. I have been under the weather for the past week now. I had my wisdom tooth taken out probably about 7 days ago. You can see the little bruise here and my freaking swollen gland. Oh my god. I've been in the worst pain. So, I have been leaving Donnie unattended to do the proper job and hope that he was listening about the things that I had said that I wanted, and it's reassuring to know that he does listen even when he pretends like he's not. So yeah, over the weekend he was out here the whole weekend. I was in bed the whole weekend and the 3 days prior to that as well. But what else? Yeah, he had his brother and his brother's girlfriend come out here, and they helped do some of the dirt work that you just saw. Finish that. They took down the tree, which you seen that, and Saressa filmed. Thank you, Saressa, for doing that. And then his son Jace came out the next day, or no, the same day, later in the day, and did some more work with him with finishing the driveway and moving the dirt. And then Sunday he did a little more work on the pond and created the island that I really wanted, which I'm happy about. I don't know if I'm gonna have that in this video or not, but anyways, yes, I'm still on the mend. I am heading home right now because I'm tired and I need to start putting some heating packs and castor oil packs and things on my throat, because the doctor said when I went in today to have it checked, they said it had dry socket, and that if the swelling isn't down by the time I go back in a couple days to get my stitches out, she wants to put me on steroids, and I'm not doing that. So I'm really going to try to do all my holistic stuff to really try to speed up the reduce the swelling. So yeah, I don't know. I'm tired, and I guess I will see you all. I think I'm going to try to start posting on Thursdays now. I was kind of playing around with the days and times and stuff, but I think I'm going to do Thursdays at 8, somewhere around there, because it seems that's when the most, I was looking at my analytics or whatever, it seems like the most times that people watch. So I think I'm going to try to shoot for every Thursday. We'll see, but see you guys next week. Bye.